guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'll show how to recover your lost tab in Google Chrome browser. So I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So I'm just click open Google Chrome browser and click full scan and Google search. So I'm just search ranking and Momo player app, and then new tab click. I'm just click search Facebook and new tab and just click like telegram. So just I'm search 3 tabs and 3 social media. This is the Google search ranking. So this is the Facebook and this is the Telegram. So now I'm click on 3 website, Telegram Messenger, this is Facebook page, and this is the Memo player website. Google sign in, change the continue English. Okay, now I am just by mistake cart Telegram Messenger and click cart Facebook tab. So now I am recovered this 2 tabs. Okay, now click on tab bar and please click reopen close tab and use shortcut, keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus T. So now I am click reopen close tab and recover the last cut Facebook tab, and second time and click keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift and T. So last time cut Facebook, sorry, Telegram Messenger tab close and it's already restore. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this button. Goodbye.